After all, our patients always eat fresh. Why don't we whip up a new kitchen, too? It could also double as a nurse's lounge. Still, everyone needs a place to actually eat. So let's add a dining room on top, too. A nice room to take a nap won't hurt either. And maybe something fun for the roof. Wow! It's a whole house for the pets! It's time to show them our big surprise. Come on, everybody. It's time for the grand tour. Ooh, we might need a doggy door. Look, a patio. Time to sit back and relax. Of course, all of these rooms have something fun. Not the least of which is the rooftop jacuzzi. Want to try? We'll give you a lift. Wow, everything looks great, and it's rent-free. It's already the hot spot of the neighborhood. You think we should add a guest wing? Hey, is there something suspicious about that cat? Sure, we already made the pets their own kitchen. But nothing beats a little snack bar. Or do you prefer ice cream at home? And who can say no to hot dogs? It's a dog-eat-dog world. With a few extensions, it's practically a cafe. Come on, this place has got good word of mouth. Order in the court. Food court, that is. Okay, everyone, grab a bowl and start snacking. Looks like everyone had a nice lunch. Uh-oh, now there's a cat stuck up a tree. Now it's time for some real heroes, firefighters. But they're gonna need a truck. If he's out of his costume, that Dalmatian would fit right in. But the important thing is, someone's in the driver's seat. Make sure your seatbelt's on tight. Before we go, just don't forget the ladder. Don't worry, kitty. Help is here. And it's a good thing that you're here. We've got a real problem with tree cats around here. Why don't we lend them a hand? We'll make a special tree park just for cats. Remember, there's nowhere left to go but up. Why don't we take you for a spin? It's like a kiddie amusement park. And it looks like all the cool cats are here. But just one little block can be the start of something big. It's a doggy runway. Show off the new you. Think we should rename the catwalk? Looks like we're about to crown a winner. Any of you dogs need help drying off? Well, here's something to help you get some serious air. Grab your boards. It's a doggy skate park. Come on, step to it and enjoy the ride. Speaking of rides, it's time to go big or go home. And what can top a great big Ferris wheel? You'll want someone to save you a seat on this ride. But don't worry, you don't need a ticket for this ride. And you guys get to test its maiden voyage. Afraid of heights? Try the seesaw. You're getting into the swing of things. Wow! All of our furry friends have their own paradise. Still, nothing really beats a good bird's eye view. But I still think it could use a good zoo. Something sweet. An ice cream parlor. With a hot dog and pizza on the side. Variety is the spice of life after all. Ooh, a rooftop patio. And a slide. Never knew that construction could be so quick. It takes a year to fix a road, but we've got a roller coaster.
Wow!
I guess Spunky Land is truly a magical place. There's a pool. Your very own DJ station. And, it's worth repeating, there's even a roller coaster. Now this is the only way to travel. Plus, you can get a snack and take a quick shower. You can practically live here, and these guys just might do that. It's Huntrix and the Saja boys in box form. Perhaps they'll join forces to fight this new threat. Good idea. He's better off as used parts. It's the perfect building material for a new stage. Just the thing for a show or a battle of the bands. Come on, Saja boys. You guys are going first. The judges' scores are... That's out of 5, right? Oh. Yeah, don't make us get out that shepherd's crook. Okay, Huntrix, it's your turn. Get on stage. Talk about saving the best for next. But let's wait to see what the judges think. Ah, I can see they have good taste. Huntrix is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bed bugs... Wow! Huntrix is huge! They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Oh, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. Uh-oh, your backpack's stuck on the door hinge. Oh no, don't pull too hard. It ripped. No use crying. You'll need something to help you carry things. This cardboard seems tough. Maybe it can help. Use some pieces to make a sturdy box. Good. Now why don't we personalize it? Always room for Hello Kitty. And gotta keep the numbers theme going. A ruler and a clock could also help. The best part, there's room for all of your stuff. Now strap it on back and take on the world. You really need to study your arithmetic.
Oh.
Something tells me they take numbers really seriously here. Of course, if math was so easy, they wouldn't have invented calculators. Make a grid with a bunch of holes for numbers. Peekaboo! Now we'll need some space to put everything inside. It's time to lay down some buttons. Numbers and a few extras. All the works. Of course, we'll need a screen to show us how we're doing. Normally, it's important to learn skills you need for the real world. But people use calculators all the time in the real world. I guess it's test time. It is a school. It was bound to happen. Calculators aren't allowed, but there's no rules about rulers. Especially our special slide rule. It positively rules. Slide the numbers together and you'll get an answer. And remember, if the teacher doesn't like it, you can always count on your fingers.